Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Palm Beach local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers in North Palm Beach, Florida specialize in handling intra-city moves. They can provide personalized services targeted at your demands due to their vast understanding of the area. These firms are familiar with the city's neighborhoods, traffic patterns, and rules, which ensures a smooth and quick relocation. They can provide timely and dependable service due to their proximity to North Palm Beach, ensuring your possessions are safely delivered to your new home. By hiring 3 Movers Local Moving Company, you can have a stress-free moving experience while immersing yourself in the beauty and vibrancy of North Palm Beach. There are unique issues to remember while moving from North Palm Beach, Florida to other cities within or beyond the state. Long-distance relocation, as opposed to local moves, necessitates rigorous planning due to greater distances, differing legislation, and possible logistical obstacles. Budgeting is essential for long-distance travel because costs may include transportation, fuel, lodging, and additional services. It is critical to select a professional and trustworthy moving company to ensure the safety and protection of your things during the long journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Palm Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.